Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change your Steam profile picture. So basically here, you just need to click on the profile name right there at the top right of your screen. And you just need to click on view my profile. And then you will now go here on this page. So you just need to click on setup Steam profile, the green button. So from here, you can basically edit your profile on Steam, but you just need to click on avatar. So basically here, you can change your profile picture. You can use the image from the Steam, and basically, for example, just want to use some of the image recommended by the Steam. So for example, right here, and then you can also upload your avatar from your computer. So upload a file from your device. Image should be square, at least 184 by 184. So you can just click on upload your avatar. So once done, you just need to click on the save button at the bottom right of your screen. And finally, as you can see here, we have changed our profile picture. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.